BJP-led Indian government has deployed more troops in occupied Kashmir on the pretext of providing security for the Hindu pilgrims attending the Amarnath Yatra, while the true aim is to intimidate the indigenous population. Over 100 companies of the Indian Forces personnel have been deployed in the Islamabad district and another 90 companies in the Gandharbal district. All-party Hurriyat Conference spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas in a statement in Srinagar criticized the Modi government actions aimed at perpetuating a culture of fear through increased troops deployment and of draconian measures. He maintained that the massive military presence has turned Kashmir into the most militarized zone in the world. Meanwhile, 5 shops owned by a Muslim family were destroyed in a mysterious fire in the Pyas Nagsini of the Kishtwar district last night, causing property loss worth lakhs for the owner Talib Hussain. The local residents talking to the media men expressed concern suggesting a communal agenda behind the incident aimed at weakening the Muslim community's economy. In a separate development, the Office of the United Nations High Commissioner for Human Rights has expressed concern over New Delhi's decision to prosecute renowned author Arundhati Roy and Kashmiri scholar Sheikh Shaukat Hussain under the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act for their comments on Kashmir. In a post on X, the UN body urged the Indian authorities to drop the cases against Roy and Sheikh Shaukat, calling for a review of the UAPA and release of the detainees.